friends. Welcome back to my channel, where I share my knowledge and experience about ethical hacking and cybersecurity. In this video, I'm going to recommend you the top 5 best books for ethical hackers, whether you are a beginner or an expert. Ethical hacking is the practice of testing the security of systems, networks, and applications by using the same tools and techniques as malicious hackers, but with the permission and for the benefit of the owners. Ethical hackers help to identify and fix vulnerabilities, prevent data breaches, and enhance security awareness. Ethical hacking is a vast and dynamic field that requires constant learning and updating of skills. One of the best ways to learn ethical hacking is by reading books written by experts and professionals in the field. Books can provide you with the theoretical foundations, practical examples, and real-world scenarios of ethical hacking. So, without further ado, let's get started with the top 5 best books for ethical hackers. Number 1. Hacking: The Art of Exploitation by John Erickson. This book is a classic and comprehensive guide to the art and science of hacking. It covers the fundamentals of programming, networking, cryptography, and exploitation techniques. It also teaches you how to think like a hacker and use your creativity and logic to solve problems. The book comes with a live CD that contains a Linux environment and various tools and code examples that you can use to practice and experiment with hacking. Number 2. The Web Application Hacker's Handbook: Finding and Exploiting Security Flaws by David Studdard and Marcus Pintone. This book is a must-read for anyone who wants to learn how to hack web applications. It covers the latest web technologies such as HTML5, JAX, and REST, and the most common web vulnerabilities, such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and CSRF. It also teaches you how to use various tools and methods to discover, analyze, and exploit web application security flaws. Number 3. The Hacker Playbook 2: Practical Guide to Penetration Testing by Peter Kim. This book is a practical and hands-on guide to penetration testing, which is the process of simulating a real-world cyber attack on a system or network. It covers the entire penetration testing lifecycle, from planning and reconnaissance to exploitation and reporting. It also provides you with tips and tricks to improve your hacking skills and mindset. Number 4. Penetration Testing: A Hands-on Introduction to Hacking by Georgia Wademan. This book is a beginner-friendly and hands-on introduction to penetration testing. It covers the basics of hacking, such as Linux commands, Python scripting, and network scanning. It also teaches you how to use various tools and frameworks, such as Metasploit, Nmap, and Burp Suite, to perform penetration testing on different targets, such as web applications, mobile devices, and wireless network. Number 5. Advanced Penetration Testing: Hacking the World's Most Secure Networks by Will Sopp. This book is an advanced and in-depth guide to penetration testing, especially for high-security environments, such as banks, governments, and military. It covers the advanced techniques and tactics used by elite hackers and red teams, such as social engineering, stealth, evasion, and persistence. It also teaches you how to use various tools and platforms, such as Kali Linux, Cobalt Strike, and PowerShell, to perform advanced penetration testing. These are the top 5 best books for ethical hackers that I recommend you to read. They will provide you with the knowledge, skills, and inspiration to become a better ethical hacker and cybersecurity professional. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos on ethical hacking and cybersecurity. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.